Hello and welcome back to 10-Minute Meditations for Less Stress and More Joy. This is Lauren LaPointe and thank you so much for being here. In this video, we're going to talk about mantra meditation. And mantra meditation is a repetition of words, sounds, or phrases as a means of focusing the mind. And it can be done externally or internally. And what that means is you can say it out loud or you can say it to yourself. Okay, there are different benefits to each. You could practice either one. Okay, both are fine. And here are a few benefits of mantra meditation. Mantra meditation helps to focus and concentrate your thoughts in your mind. It can be calming and relaxing, sometimes even more so than other styles because of its rhythmic nature. And a mantra can sometimes be a more accessible focus for some people. And it helps to reduce anxiety and stress. Okay, so here are a few examples of mantra meditation. So hum, that's a very common, very popular mantra meditation. We're actually going to be practicing this particular one in this course. So I won't really explain it here because we'll get the opportunity to do that later. But just know that that's a very common one that you'll see a lot. Meditating on the universal sound of Om. Okay, that's a common mantra meditation as well. Something affirming like I am present. Some people like to use something spiritual as their mantra. Or it can be a virtue like peace or compassion, for example. And here's just some brief tips on how to practice mantra meditation. So always start by finding your comfortable seat, letting your eyes close if that feels appropriate. And pick your mantra, okay, whatever it may be. Repeat your mantra for a designated amount of time, okay? You might have that determined beforehand how long you want to practice. And you just repeat your mantra for the length of time of your meditation. And it can be really nice at the end of your mantra meditation to sit in silence for a minute or two. Okay, this allows you just to really absorb the mantra meditation and to feel its effects. So that can be nice at the end. Okay, so again, we'll have the opportunity to practice a mantra meditation in this course. So stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for being here. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, thanks and see you soon.